Now I would like to explain about how we are going to be nested the lists or tuples or sets within the tuple. That means either the list or the tuple itself or the set itself, how we are enclosed within a tuple data structure. That is a list, tuple, and set within the within tuple. That is how we are going to keep list, tuple or set within the tuple and how we are going to be access. But here we can observe that the list and tuple are some similar characteristics. These are the sequential or ordered and indexable data structures, and those are also allow the duplicates. That means duplicate elements. But the set is unordered, and non-indexable data structure, and it also not allow the duplicates. That means no duplicates are allowed. So these things we should be remember. That means with the help of the indexes we are unable to access the set elements, but with the help of the indexes we are able to access the list and tuple elements. But the tuple is unmutable, but the set and that the set is sorry that the list is mutable. So now I am going to be create tuple T1 as suppose like that. Suppose here I am going to be create 1 x and 13 comma this is second one 12 y z. So here we observe that we can create the tuples with the help of the angular braces, angular parenthesis. This is the again the tuple, but and this is the another tuple. But within the tuple T1, this is the first object, 0 object, and this is the second object indexable by the 1. So in this way we are creating, and we are going to also accessing T1 of 0 means this tuple. In the same way T1 of 1 means this one. To access the internal elements, we are going to write T1 of 1 of 0. It will access the element 12, right? Like that. In similar way, I am going to be show to you how we are going to be enclose the list within the tuple. Now I am going to create tuple T2 as suppose 12, 3.4, 6, comma, this is y, comma, 17, comma, 9.7. So we know that this is the list, but we know that the tuple is indexable. The list is this is the 0, 1, 2, 3. That means the list is the third element within the tuple. To access the list, we are going to write it as T2 of 3. To access the internal elements of the list, we are going to write T2 of 3 of 2. So again within the list, this is the 0, 1, 2 second object. It will point the 9.7. In the same way, it is possible we are nesting the sets also. So I am going to be creating the tuple T3 as suppose 12, 13.7, comma, Raju, comma. So these are the A, B, comma C, right? So here also the triple is indexable, 12 is the 0th element, 13.7 is the first, Razu is the second, and the set ABC is the third element. To access the set, we are going to be called T3 of 3. But it is not possible. We know that the elements of the sets is accessed with the help of the indexes. Suppose either to access either A or B or C, we are write T3 of suppose 0 or like that, it will generate an exception. That means it is wrong. But we check the type of the data item type of T3 of 3, it will print the set. Okay, friends, to explain these things practically, I straightly go to the Python online interpreter. So here I create T1 as, let's consider this is 12 comma ABC comma sorry ABC comma 13.4, right, comma 56. This is the first triple within the triple. That means identified by 0. The next one is suppose X comma Y comma Z. Now I will check whether T1, I will call it as a T1, not T1, whether T1 is triple or not. So I am check the using print type of T1, right? So first we will check it is triple or not. Okay, friends, this is the triple. We can observe this output. Now I will access the first object, that means the first triple within a T1 as print first object comma T1 of 0. It will print 12 ABC 13.4 comma 56, right? I will show to you. Yes, the first object is this one, right? Now I will try to be access any one of the elements from the second object. Now I will print element from second object equal to T1 of 1, because this is indexed by 1, 1 of 1. Here this is again indexed by, this is 0, x is 0, y is 1. That means y will be printed. Okay, friends, we can understand how we are going to be keep a triple within the triple. Okay, right? Now I will show to you how we are going to be keep a list within the triple. Again, I am creating the triple T2 as, that is 3 comma 45 comma 9.12 comma, we know that the list is created with the angular brackets, that is 55 comma Ramu comma Somu comma 99. I am going to be check this one is triple or not. Print type of T2 type of T2. So the T2 is a triple. That means again I am going to be, the triples are indexable. I am accessing, the list is 0, 1, 2, third element. That means print list within triple is comma T2 of 2, right? Okay, it is running. Please wait. List within the triple is, sorry, I am going to be giving only 2, T2 of 2 of uh, 0, 1, 2. Sorry, that is the 3. I am giving wrong index, right? It will take some time, right, for execution, because we are executing through online. I will stop once again. I am going to run this one. So the connection to this server is lost. We will check once again. We will run this one. Right. So the list within the triple is 55, ROM, and this one. Whether it is list or not, I will check by its data type. Print data type of object is space type of T2 of 3, type of T2 of 3. Okay, I will forget to keep a comma here, right? Right. So the list is embedded within the triple. Now I am going to be access any one of the element from the list. Print one element from list is, the list is the third object T2 of 3. So I will get Ramu. Ramu is the again indexed by 1, 1, right, Ramu. So you can observe this output. So friends, we can here learn how we are going to keep a list within a tuple. Now I try to embedded a set within the tuple T3 is, we are creating tuples with angular braces. I'm going to be take 5, 6.9, comma 12, comma, right? We can create the set with curly braces, that is 33, comma 44, comma ABC. First of all, I will check data type of T3. Print data type is comma type of T3. Okay, now the T3 is a triple. Okay friends, now I will access the set 0, 1, 2, 3, the third element, right? Print T3 of 3, right? I will write here set object is, right, set object is like that. Sorry, T3 of 0, 1, 2, 3. I will forget here to keep a comma. Right? Right. Set object is 33, 44, ABC. Now I will check which type of the object that one is. Print object type is comma type of T3 of 3. Right? That is a set. But we know that it is not possible we are getting the elements of the set by indexing. Suppose we are using to the index within the set, it will generate exception. That is an error. Element of set comma T3 sorry T3 of 3. So it is not indexable. To access ABC 0, 1, 2, we will write 2. What happen? It will generate an error. I will show to you. So type set object does not support indexing. Okay friends, here we are observe that the sets are not indexable. Right? By this example, we are getting that how we are going to be keep an set within a tuple. Now, I would like to conclude that to keep all within one tuple T equal to, this is the tuple that is 12, comma, this is another tuple. Suppose here I am going to write A, comma, B, comma, C. This is the tuple, comma. I will embed a list that is 11, comma, 12, comma, 13 and embedded a set that is capital E, sorry, capital A, comma, 33, comma, capital B. Right? I will check. Here I am going to be embedded normal element 12, a tuple, a list and a set within the tuple. Now I will check the type of the T, print type of T. So T is the tuple. Now I will access the tuple, that is the first object, print T of 1. Here I write first object T of 1, comma, and I will also check its data type. Print type of first object is, comma, type of T of 1. Right? In the same way, I will type the second object and third object also. Here the second object is a list and third object is a set. So I will just copy and paste. I will change here. Second object is 2. That is a list. The second object type is T2. In the same way, the third object, right? Third object, that is T3. Right? Type of third object is type of T3. Right? I will run this one, friends. Okay. T is a tuple type. The first object is a ABC. The object is tuple. The second object is a list 11, 12, 13. That is a list. The third object is 33BA and it is a set. But here we observe that A 33B we are given, but here 33BA will be printed. We are already say that the set is a unordered non-indexable data structure. Hence, the elements within the set are not displayed in the given order. Okay, friends, I hope we all can understand this one, right? I will show all the instructions at once how I am going to embedded a normal element, a tuple, a list, a set within the tuple T. Okay, thank you.